Hey there, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to go from a printable product to a digital one. So the first thing you're going to do is open Seesaw and you're going to click on Create New Activity. And I'm going to use my product that I just created, the word search puzzles. Which are a PDF, and I'm going to make them individual activities for my students in Seesaw. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have the activity window open here, and I have my word search window open as a PDF in my other screen. So I will open up the activity and go type in the instructions, find the words within the word search and highlight them using the pen. And if you put a colon in front of certain words, you can it'll create little icons in the activities for your students. And as always, you can click add voice instructions for your students that struggle with reading to help them out and to personalize your activities. So down here, I'm just going to put what they do when they're finished. Click the green check to turn in your work. Then I'm going to click here on the multimedia instructions or example. No, actually, I'm going to click, this is where you would put an example, but if you click here and you add your image here, the students can't work on top of it. So the way I remember it is down here, you always want to use the template area. And I think of if I'm opening a template in another program that I'm using, that's something I edit. So then you just open this, hover over the drawing and click on it and leave that screen open. Now I'm in my other screen and I'm on a PC, and to do a screen capture, you do the Windows key, Shift S, and you click those all together. The screen will darken and then you will get your crosshairs, and I've captured it. Now I click in, I click in here and you don't even do anything but just paste and do Control V. And then it will put my assignment in there for my students. And I'm just gonna make it a little tiny bit smaller, and then lock it into place. And that's literally all you do. And so when I click the green check mark here, it will assign just that one lesson to my students. And then you can see it, what it will look like here. So we have the picture here. If I assign it to my test class, if you haven't created a test class in Seesaw, it's a good idea. I use it to try out different things before I put it in where my students actually are. So I can go in here and I can open it up and click Add Response. And I click on the sample student, and then I can interact with it as if I'm a student. And then you can click the highlighting pen, and then the students can go in, and when they find a word, they can use the highlighter here to highlight the word within the word search. So I hope that helps you. It's very easy to take a printable and make it into a digital product, and that should help. And you can do that with anything. Just make sure to check your terms of use on any product that you're using. If you use my products, my resources, I am happy for you to do this and share these with your students. I just ask that you don't share it to the community library in Seesaw, and just share it with your classroom. Okay, so I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, just let me know.